Okay, so I'm showing you how to use your new little hand pie crimper thing. And I've been messing with it this morning. And so I started out with a double crust pie crust recipe, which is the 2 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of shortening, a little salt, and I added some sugar too for sweetness. So I divided the dough then into 8 pieces. So I ended up dividing it in half, dividing each one in half, then dividing each one of those in half. So I had 8 little balls total. So make sure that your surface is floured lightly so that it doesn't stick, and then start rolling out your dough. Now see, it's sticking to my rolling pin, so I'm going to put it down. Make sure that it doesn't stick, and you're going to roll it out until it's about 6 inches or so in diameter, or close to that. So I pick it up every now and then to make sure that it doesn't stick. Flip it over. They put a little bit more flour on there, not a lot. Okay, so notice this isn't very big. So I'm going to gently pick it up, bring my little hand pie crimper, and you lay it in there and push it gently down into the bottom. Okay, so kind of like you would a pie plate. And I'm using raspberry pie filling this morning, so I'm just going to put a couple of spoonfuls in the middle. That's not a lot. It's less than a 1/4 cup probably. I have beaten up an egg, and I'm using my pastry brush, and I'm going to go around the edges and put that egg wash on there. It's going to act as a glue to stick the hand pies together. Okay, so I have that all the way around. So now I'm going to take this and pick it up gently and smush it together, right? So you can see the edges seal, kind of push out there. At the beginning I was using my knife and cutting it off, and it's just as easy to go around with your fingers and push the dough. I think it probably seals it better too. So those are my scraps. So I'm going to open this up gently, and you can see it's on there. We're going to transfer this to our parchment lined paper, and I'll show you how to do one more. So this is my last ball. I'm going to roll it out gently. A little more flour because it's starting to stick. So notice I started out with them in little balls, so that helps make it the circle shape. So when you're rolling it out, it doesn't take quite as much effort. Okay, so we have this one's a little crazy shaped, but it should be big enough. So our little pie thing, lay your dough on there. Gently scoot it down in to create the pocket. Spoon some of your pie filling in there. And then take your egg wash and go around the edge for your glue. Now what I didn't tell you is I preheated the oven at 400 degrees so that it's going to be nice and hot, and these go in for 15 to 20 minutes and bake. And here, after I get this done too, if you'll remember when we made double crust pies, you need to make slits in the top crust to allow the steam to escape while it bakes. So after I get all of these on the baking sheet, and notice it's parchment lined too, so that if any of the filling comes out, it's not going to be a problem to clean it. Beautiful little hand pie. I'm going to use my paring knife and just make some little slits here at the top so that the steam can escape. So those are the hand pies. 8 per can of pie filling and double crust pie. I probably could re-roll this out and make more, but they'd be kind of tough. So thanks.